baby, it's cold. I go to the backyard. It is terrible back here. Child, not the door's barely opening. Excuse me. Ooh, we 61 and they on 31 right now. You ain't told me shit. Alright, so I have decided while waiting for our number to be called at the meat market. About to do a seafood bowl. Oh look, I know we got some sausage already, but I'm gonna buy some more just in case. And I like this Baker smoked sausage. Boudin. Ooh, Boudin, $8.49. Dang. Creole rice dressing. Frenchies. Auntie's Creole rice dressing for $6.29. I wonder if that's good. It sounds like it would be. All right, so what all do we need for a seafood bowl? Oh, look at them riding onions. All right, let's see what they got. Hey, but these stoves gonna keep some slap for your mama. All right, so we already got this, but it's a different brand from H-E-B. Then I'm gonna get this shrimp and crab boil. $6.99 is high, but oh well. Moe's Magic Dust, $7.39. Clearly a small black-owned brand. I'm gonna try it. I got Old Bay at home. We don't need tartar sauce, so I'm not frying nothing. Garlic hot sauce. Garlic sauce. This is like something I need. My son is FaceTiming me. Hold on. We 61, not 60. He ain't even let the man call the number. Can we get the oxtails first? Right here. You get some oxtails too. Let me see about. Oh, which one? Which one you think? That thick one right there? Yeah. The one on top at the back. Right there? Yeah. Yeah, that one. That one too. Yeah, and then that one too that you just had. The one you had right there at the top, that one. You cut it for me like an inch. Yeah. It's £5. 58. It's $12.99 a pound. Get it? That's good. Yeah.
That'll work. Good? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe just a tad bit thinner and rock with it.
62?
Just an inch, I'm gonna go half.
That'll work. That'll work. I say whatever it is, I cook it, that bitch gonna hit.
Silly.
See what 2 pounds look like. That's the deal? Oh, that's the beef.
The beef?
That's the beef.
Yeah, I want the beef. With a pound of beef and the deal.
Good deal. Thank you. I mean, I think I've only ever had beef. Summer sauce. Well, my grandma and my mama, they used to tear that up.
My man, that's it, baby?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Hold the basics.
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to Instacart though.
When I do say something like that, I'm really shooting.
I can't never eat by myself.
And I get mad. And we both get mad. It ain't gonna be no happy day.
Not you dancing.
I'm just, you know what I mean? I asked you to clean it off there first. I'm gonna eat food. I ain't saying no more. Eat food. It's just, I want you to try this. You don't have to try this. It's one of these stipulations.
What's up, that hog head tree?
Yeah. You ready that bro?
You didn't pull the summer sausage out?
$5.
Leave my phone alone. Ah! Leave it alone. And get your little spaghetti hands off the couch. That's a greedy baby.
Try this.
That baby say he got real food. He ain't got time for that baby stuff. That's because that Nana Anna be feeding that baby. Be feeding that baby good, huh? Yeah. Go ahead and get in your hot chair and have your own plate, son. Yeah, let me put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. There, put the food. He just letting the spaghetti strings ain't got his mouth.
You know how to eat cheese before? You know this? Taste it first.
It's a pig's face.
I just said taste it first, and then you just go back and say that.
Is it good, Mama?
What she asked what it is? I mean, it's cool. I eat it. There ain't nothing I be like, ooh, I just my whole head to you, but Terry, if you don't get your little butt back over here and pick up this spaghetti you dropped on the floor. Get back over here. Come on. There ain't no laughing. Come back. Come clean up your mess. Dang, he smushed it all in the rug.
This. I mean, it ain't just no straight pig. I mean, got pig.
No, what you said?
I asked my friend yesterday, have your parents been grocery shopping? She said no. I said, girl, you oughta look, them stores is empty.
For real. Yeah, but she out of luck.
Eat it. Tell you number like, I bet you it ain't nasty. I bet you it ain't.
With the summer sausage.
Okay,
let me
I
get
know
one.
it ain't. That's only because she said that. If you would have said that, you would have never even thought of it. You'd have ate it.
It's not nasty. It's just I will not eat all the time.
This
I know, you ain't never ate it.
the sausage, the beef, or whatever.
Yeah.
What?
It's more of a texture thing for me. Like, it ain't nasty, it's just,
Well, let me take some of that out then.
yeah, it's a bit much.
Yeah. I was trying to bust it
Take
out
up.
in half like I did Jada's, man. Got my room, boy. My room. Yeah, my room. You just took that.